everyone, today we are going to learn new topic. Which topic? Article. Yes, article. Which are the articles? A and the. But in our UKG class, only two articles. Which are these? A and an. Now here article, and these are the articles A and an. Right? Now I have drawn here box, and in this box I made two boxes, vowels and consonants. In one box, vowels have written and consonants written here. Okay. Now firstly, let's see the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And consonants which are, now let's see, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the consonants. Which? Consonants. And these are the vowels. Now we use the an article before the words. Which words start from the vowels means which words start from the A, E, R, O, U, these sounds. That words before we use the an article. Which? An article. जे words A, E, R, O, U या लेटर्स पासून म्हणजेच या साऊंड पासून स्टार्ट होतात त्या वर्ड्सच्या अगोदर आपण कोणतं आर्टिकल वापरतो? an. Which? An. And which words start from the consonants? These are the consonants. And these which words start from the B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. या साऊंड पासून जे वर्ड्स स्टार्ट होतात त्या वर्ड्सच्या अगोदर आपण ए आर्टिकल वापरतो. Which article? A. Now how to use and which are these words? Now let's see. Now let's see how to use a and an article. Okay. Now this is a article. Which article? A article. Now look at the definition and listen the carefully definition. Okay. A. Which way article? A. A article. A is used before. A is used before the words. A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. Okay. Yes. A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. Which consonant? And which are the consonant? Not we have seen. आपण कॉन्सोनंट पाहिलेले बी सी डी एफ जी एच जे के एल एम एन पी क्यू आर एस टी वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाय झेड. These are the consonants, and these consonant sounds before we use the a article. कॉन्सोनंट म्हणजे बी सी डी आपण हे पाहिलेत की नाही. यांच्या हे जे वर्ड स्टार्ट या लेटर पासून जे वर्ड स्टार्ट होतात त्या वर्ड्सच्या अगोदर ए हे आर्टिकल वापरतात. नाउ लुक दिस. नाउ बी ए बॅट. व्हाट इज दिस? बॅट इज अ थिंग. वी प्ले द क्रिकेट विथ अ बॅट अँड बॉल. राइट. नाउ बॅट इज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्सोनंट साउंड. बॅट ब स्टार्ट होतं की नाही ब पासून कॉन्सोनंट पासून. येस. And before the bat words we use the a article. Which article? A. Now here see an. What is an? An is used. An is used before the words. An is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. Yes. And is used before the words that begin with a vowel sound. म्हणजेच काय, vowels we have seen the vowels a, e, i, o, u. These are the vowels, and these vowels from these vowels start the word. That words before we use and. जे वर्ड्स वॉवेल पासून स्टार्ट होतात की नाही, ए, ई, आय, ओ, यू, या वॉवेल्स पासून स्टार्ट होणारे जे वर्ड्स आहेत त्याच्या अगोदर we use the an article. Which article? An article. Right? Now let's see the one example. A-N-T, ant. Yes, what is this? Ant. Ant is an insect, right? A-N-T, ant. And this word start from the A. Which is the first letter? A is the first letter. Which is the first letter? A. That's why we are going to write here an article. Yes, हे वर्ड्स कशापासून स्टार्ट होते तर ए पासून. अँड ए काय आहे? वॉवेल, राईट. अँड या ए च्या अगोदर आपण कोणतं आर्टिकल वापरणार आहे तर अँड. नाउ लुक हियर, बी इज अ consonant and this word start from the consonant means B, and before the consonant we have used here A, and here this word start from the vowel sound. That's why we have written here an article, right? Now let's see the some examples. Now again see the some examples and also definition. Now this is a. What? A. A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. Which sound? Consonant sound. Okay, now look here. We have seen the consonants, right? Now this is a picture of goat. Yes, what is this? This is a picture of goat. And goat word start from the letter G, means G is a consonant. And what I said, which words start from the consonant sound, that words before we use the A. आपण काय शिकलो होतो बरं, की जे वर्ड्स कॉन्सोनंट पासून स्टार्ट होतात म्हणजेच बी, सी, डी, एफ, जी, राईट. ह्या लेटर्स पासून, या साऊंड्स पासून जे वर्ड स्टार्ट होतात की नाही त्याच्या अगोदर म्हणजेच बिफोर म्हणजेच अगोदर ए यूज करायचे. विच आर्टिकल? ए इज article use the before the consonant sound. Okay, now the second, this is a bus picture. Which is this picture? Bus. Bus is a vehicle, and bus word also start from the consonant. Which consonant? B is a consonant. Now before the consonant we use the A. Consonant च्या अगोदर आपण काय वापरतो? A, right? Now again see here. Yes, this is a bee. What is this? Bee. Bee is an insect, right? Now before the B we use the A. Why? Because B is a consonant, right? What? B is a consonant. That's why we are used here A. Now this is a picture of star. What? Star. And star start from the consonant sound. That's why we are using here A before the star. त्याच्यामुळेच आपण काय केले, स्टार हे काय होतं? एस. एस इज अ कॉन्सोनंट, राईट. एस काय आहे तर कॉन्सोनंट आहे. मग कॉन्सोनंटच्या अगोदर आपण कोणतं आर्टिकल यूज करतो? ए, राईट. ए. नाव हियर झेब्रा. दिस पिक्चर इज अ झेब्रा. झेब्रा इज अ एनिमल. And zebra's words start from the consonant. That's why we are going to write here A before. Z's before used here A. And this is a tub. What is this? Tub. And tub words start from the consonant. Which consonant? T is a consonant. Yes. And before the consonant we use the A. Now here, that's why A is here. Now look here. Here is an ant. Yes. Now we are going to see the some examples of ant. कोणत्या वॉवेल्सच्या अगोदर कसं वापरायचं अँड हे पाहणार आहेत आपण. ओके, नाव दिस इज अ firstly see the definition. An is used before the words that begin with the vowels. And which are the vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels. आणि या vowels पासून जे वर्ड स्टार्ट होतील त्याच्या अगोदर काय वापरतात तर an वापरतात. ओके, now this is a picture of aeroplane. Yes, which this picture? Aeroplane. And aeroplane word start from the vowel A vowel. A vowel पासून स्टार्ट होतं की नाही एरोप्लेन वर्ड. सो दॅट्स वाय बिफोर द एरोप्लेन अँड वी राईट हिअर अँड. नाव अँड देन इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ इंजिन. This is a picture of engine and before the engine we use the an article. Why? Because engine start from the vowel E. And before which words start from the vowels? That words before we use the an article. Now this is a picture of iron. Iron is a thing. Iron means istri. Yes, and iron words start from the vowel. Yes, what? Vowel. And before the vowels words we use the an article. Again, now look here. Octopus. Yes, octopus is a water animal and octopus word also start from the vowel O. Right? Now before the vowel we use the an article. Right? Now this is a picture of umbrella. Yes, what is this? Picture of umbrella. And umbrella word start from the vowel U. That's why we are going to write here and we use the and before the umbrella. So today we learned article A and also we have seen the examples.